Hey, what's everybody? What's going on? So today I am smoking my first brisket, so pretty stoked about it. Things are going pretty good. So I got this uh, new grill. Let me show it to you real quick. Got it from Amazon. It's called Z Grill. Uh, Pretty good. I like it. Okay, it's got about a 10-pound hopper in there for all my pellets. It's a pellet smoker, and about an average size grill. You know, like if you had a gas barbecue or something like that, it'd be about the same. So let me, and I apologize, I didn't think about doing a video until just now. So I've already done the meat prep and all that stuff, and what it was is I think it's a 15-pound brisket. And at my local store, they're selling it for $1.99 a pound, so pretty good deal. So I couldn't pass it up. And my friend and I are both having a brisket cook-off. So at this moment in time, my buddy just down the street from me here is smoking his brisket, and so we're just gonna have this little cook-off. But anyways, before I open the lid, let me show you what this thing does. So it's got this little set and forget dial, and you just set your temperatures. Actually, turn the grill on, set your temperatures. It is powered by electricity, and so you set your temp and warm it up, and that's about it. The pellets I have in here right now, excuse me, those are mesquite pellets, and I thought, well, I'm gonna give it a shot with mesquite. I like how mesquite tastes. Typically, when I've smoked in the past, it's always been with hickory. That's because, well, I'm from Tennessee, and that's just tradition in Tennessee, smoking with hickory. And we live in Texas now, and I thought, well, I'm going to go for that Texas flavor and use some mesquite. Anyways, it smells amazing. So let me pop the lid here. Give you a look. So it's been on for about 3 hours. So those temps are holding nice and steady, and that's what it looks like right now. Pretty good sized brisket, and it smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and close that lid again. I don't want the temperatures dropping too much. So like I said, it's been cooking for about 3 hours, and we have dinner tonight with our friends. Gonna have 2 briskets and about 16 people. I have no idea how we're gonna eat 30 pounds of brisket. I have no idea. We'll have a lot of leftovers, so it'll be a fun night anyway. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks, bye.